Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. This week's life skill of the week is going to be using your microwave and or preparing your own meal. So what I am going to do is I'm going to make some oatmeal. Now, if you don't have oatmeal laying around, or your kids don't like oatmeal, and you want them to make their own meal, some easy things are like Easy Mac, ramen noodles, like the ramen noodles in the cup. Anything that you can kind of just add water to and put in the microwave is a super awesome choice. You can also make anything you want. So if you just have to heat something up in the microwave real quick, instead of you going to the microwave, grab your kiddo, bring them over, and teach them how to use the microwave. This might be something you're already doing at home, but if not, this is just another idea for you to practice. So I'm going to take my oatmeal, and this is great because, practicing scooping. So I'm not going to make a lot because I'm not going to actually eat it, but you practice scooping out the oatmeal and then pouring it into your bowl. Okay, and then I do equal parts oatmeal to equal parts water. So I'm going to fill this up with water. Now, if you're having your kiddo and you really need to measure and you're having them fill a measuring cup up with a liquid or really anything, something we notice in the classroom is they don't typically fill it to the top. They just think they're supposed to put some water in it and dump it. So really try and teach them that they need to get it to the top, and then they need to practice being steady. If you're worried about it spilling, maybe just give them a clear cup and then mark a line on that cup, and you can practice that pouring and filling to a certain line and stopping. There's so many awesome skills that you can practice with this. So I'm going to fill this up with water. Okay, and I'm being careful. Then I'm going to pour it into my oatmeal. And you can take a spoon or whatever and then have them stir. And sometimes when I have them stir, I have them count to 10 or however long you think it needs to stir. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I'm going to go over to the microwave. Let me pull you closer, make sure you can see. All right. Something that is helpful to do at the microwave. So I'm going to say I need to put this in for 45 seconds. Okay. What I did is I wrote it on a piece of paper. And I'm going to tell my student, or you're going to tell your child, all right, we're going to heat it up for 45 seconds. If they don't know what the number 45 looks like, then you're going to tell them to press 4 and then 5. And then make sure you tell them 4 and 5 is 45. So 45 seconds. Okay. And then you're going to hold up your piece of paper and they're going to check to make sure it matches what's on the microwave. They accidentally might hit 2 5s. Then you need to teach them how to reset it and start over. Be patient with it, but the more you practice, the easier it's going to get. So 45. Okay. And then you can go ahead and start it. I'm not actually going to cook it, but I'll put it in just because. So, and then also teaching them what these buttons mean. So like I said, the stop and reset, and then also the start button. And when they hit start, it's going to start. If they need to stop it early, they can hit stop, and then opening, having them press and open on their own. Okay. So these are some really, really awesome skills for them to learn, especially as they get older. Using a microwave and pushing the buttons helps with finger isolation. It helps with number identification. If you're telling them to press different numbers, they can practice a sense of time and kind of get an idea of, okay, when mom or dad says 1 minute, what does 1 minute mean? So having them type in 1 minute and press start, and then having them wait for that food to finish cooking. Over time, they're going to start to realize, okay, that's how long 1 minute is. And then also just practicing waiting. If it's a food they're really, really excited about, just having them wait is a really, really good skill to learn. So I hope this helps. Send in some videos and pictures. Bye.